Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak about Christmas. Christmas is a very happy festival. It is celebrated on 25th December. This day is the birthday of Jesus. People celebrate Christmas with joy and love. We decorate our homes and Christmas trees. We wear new clothes on this day. Children love Christmas very much. Santa Claus brings gifts for children. We share cakes and sweets with others. People go to church and pray. Christmas teaches us love and kindness. It teaches us to help poor people. We should forgive others on this day. Christmas spreads peace and happiness. It brings families and friends together. We should always do good deeds. We should respect and love everyone. Christmas is a festival of sharing. Let us promise to be good humans. Let us spread love everywhere. Thank you, everyone. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you.